4.5, dividing with letters and numbers. I'm going to start off at looking at number 1. It's very similar to multiplying, but we're dividing. If you remember from multiplying, we do numbers first and then letters. So we've got 6a divided by 3, well 6 divided by 3 is 2. We've got 2a here. If you think about it, what goes 3 times into 6a? Well, 2a plus 2a plus 2a, 3 lots of 2a would be 6a. So you just do the number and then the letter. Let's try it for number 2. Numbers and letters. Normally when it's division, it's easier to write it as we did with the index laws, like this. Okay, well if we're doing the numbers first, that's 15 divided by 3, which is 5. And then the letters, we've got b to the power of 5 divided by b. Well, this b should have a little 1 here. And remember, when we do divided, it means that we take away the index. And 5 take away 1 is 4, so we'd have b to the power 4 here. And let's have a look at the third one. Okay, once again, although this looks horrible, we're going to do the same as we've done before. Numbers first. 30, this means divided by 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Okay, let's move to our next letters next. Our next letter is C. We've got C on the top and the bottom, and because we're dividing, we subtract the index. 3 subtract 2 is 1, so that would be C to the power of 1. But whenever it's to the power of 1, we don't actually have to write it, so it could just be C there. We haven't quite finished because we've got b's here as well. B to the power of 5 divided by b cubed. Again, we're going to take away the indices, and 5 subtract 3 is 2, so left with b to the power of 2, b squared. So that is our answer. If you're a bit confused about why that is, just watch this. So we're just going to really make this clear by splitting it up into each of its parts. So the numerator would have 30, and it's multiplied by c cubed, which means c times c times c, and that's multiplied by b to the power of 5. So I'm going to have to multiply b by itself 5 times. So that is my numerator. And then my denominator, I've got 5, and c is just multiplied by itself squared, and when you've got b cubed. Okay, now we can cancel off the top and bottom. If you divide the top and bottom by b, and by b again, and by b again, got that? We can divide the top and bottom by c again, and divide the top and bottom by 5. Well, 30 divided by 5 is 6, 5 divided by 5 is 1. So on the top you've got left 6 times c times b, and 1 on the bottom. Well, b times b is b squared. You've got your c, and 6 divided by 1 is 1, and that's how you've got your answer. So when you're dividing, as well as when you're multiplying, you do the numbers first, and then the letters, and remember that if it just says something like b, that actually means b to the power of 1.